Got stuck on there.
Yeah, so you have to make sure it doesn't hit anything. But this is using a thread cradle and our Bernina L890, and we are going to blow some heavyweight thread through using the thread cradle. Yep, let it go. And now you're gonna pull that out. Let's see, the lower looper. There it is.
Don't let go of the cradle.
And it's pulling that through.
And there it is.
There's the thread. We got it through the lower looper. Like magic. Yeah. And then you can just let the thread cradle go.
There you go.
Very cool.
Look at that.
Yeah, so you got some pretty decorative thread through the Bernina L890 serger, overlocker, cover stitch, combi stitch machine.